Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to solve word searches fast, updated. Start by scanning for uncommon letters such as Q, Z, and X to find anchors. Next, circle the longest word you spot to shrink the puzzle area and reduce choices. Use a steady finger or pencil to trace rows, columns, and diagonals while you search, and mark crossed words to avoid rechecking the same space unnecessarily. Use pattern recognition to move faster through a puzzle. First, watch for repeating letter pairs, common prefixes, and endings that give away word fragments. Match the visible letter shapes and expected lengths from your list to probable paths. Before marking, visualize how a word would run across the grid to confirm direction. Staying calm and methodical helps maintain speed without sacrificing accuracy or missing diagonals. Bring simple tools and habits to boost your pace. A ruler or straight edge helps keep your eye on exact rows and diagonals, while a single highlighter color for found words keeps the list tidy. Try short, timed practice sessions to train your brain to spot patterns under pressure. Finally, switch between easy and challenging puzzles to expand recognition skills and keep improvement steady without burning out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.